what we want to do at this point is we want to actually begin to iterate through those documents. We saw that we have this query snapshot. Let's refactor this code a little bit, and then let's go ahead and actually see all of these. Now we know that there are no documents in here yet, but we'll fix that momentarily. But let's go ahead and refactor this code a little bit. Because everything's really promise-based, you can get really comfortable with promise chaining, which is an art in and of itself. Or we can just opt into the fancy new async await syntax, right? This is a create React app, so we do have Babel, so I can use it with confidence and assume that it will transpile down into what I need for older browsers. So to have an asynchronous function, all I have to do is put the word async before the function. And now, instead of doing then, what I can do is I can say const snapshot equals await Firestore collection. We don't need that .then anymore. Right, so this looks kind of like that synchronous code that we had before, but under the hood it's using promises, and this will wait for the promise to resolve, and then it will go into that snapshot object, and I should see roughly the same thing as what I had before. Cool. So that looks a lot easier and nicer. And that is going to be a syntax that we use a lot today because it is easier to reason about. So the snapshot has a query snapshot, which we know has a number of documents. It has that for each method on it. So we'll say snapshot.forEach. And we'll go ahead right now and we'll grab the const id equals doc.id. And then let's get all the properties of the object. Const data equals doc.data, which is a method. And then we'll console log the ID and the data.